Let's test the Lexar 32 GB thumb drives using the high-quality Anchor USB Type-C hub. It comes with a pretty solid case. Selecting the Lexar thumb drive as the target drive, and let's start. The write speed is around 50. The read speed is 140 megabytes per second. Yeah, the read is obviously significantly faster than the write speed. Let's just keep the test running for a few more times. Okay, for the second test, I'm wondering if this USB Type-A to USB Type-C adapter will make a difference. Let's try that again, one more time. All right, I hope you find this review helpful, and thank you very much for watching.